Warm welcome to all for this topic, acid rain. Acid rain, it is, as the name suggests, it is said to be precipitation of acid in the form of rain. The atmospheric pollutants like nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, it will react with rainwater and it will come down as rain. We call it as acid rain. So sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, it will undergo oxidation and it will react with water, resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. And the following reaction, it clearly shows how this sulfuric acid and nitric acid it is being formed. The main cause for acid rain is sulfur and nitrogen particles, which is getting mixed with the wet components of the rain. Sulfur and nitrogen particles, it will mix up with water in two ways, either man-made, that is emissions which are coming out from industries, or by natural cause like lightning strike in the atmosphere which releases nitrogen ions and sulfur which is getting released from volcanic eruptions. This diagram, it shows how the acid rain it is being formed. So the gaseous pollutants and particulate pollutants in the atmosphere, it combines with the water and it is being deposited either as dry deposition or wet deposition as acid rain. When we come to the effects of acid rain, it is very harmful to agriculture, plants and animals. Acid rain, it washes away all nutrients which are required for the growth and survival of plants. It affects agriculture as it alters the composition of the soil. And it causes respiratory issues in animals and humans. When the acid rain, it falls down and flows into rivers and ponds, it affects the aquatic ecosystem. It alters the chemical composition of water to a form which is actually harmful to the aquatic ecosystem. So the aquatic animals, they are facing difficulty to survive, and it also causes water pollution. Acid rain, it also causes corrosion of water pipes, so which further results in leaching of heavy metals such as iron, lead and copper into drinking material. And acid rain, it also damages the buildings and monuments which are made of stones and metals. And the best example for the monument destruction due to acid rain is Taj Mahal. We know that Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of world which is being largely affected by acid rain. The city of Agra, it has many industries which emit oxides of sulfur, nitrogen in the atmosphere. So people who are residing in and around Agra, they are using low quality coal and firewood as domestic fuel, which emits nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides. Okay, the nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxide, it will form acid, and the acid component, it reacts with the calcium carbonate because the monument is made of marble. The main composition of marble is calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate, it reacts with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate. And the picture shows how this monument has been affected by acid rain. And the next example is Statue of Liberty, which is made of copper. And this has been damaged by the cumulative action of acid rain and oxidation for over 30 years, and it has become green in color. So how we can prevent acid rain? The only precaution what we can take is check the emission of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Okay, we have seen the details of acid rain and its harmful effect on animals, plants and animals. So as a responsible citizens, we have to be aware of the harmful effects of the emissions of nitrogen oxides and sulfurs and the industries which give out nitrogen and sulfur compounds.